who reads on a consistent basis and implement the information and put it in, implement the information and put it in an informational way to let them grow their businesses. Number one, who is a great leader and a great reader? Mr. Donald Trump, Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, my man, Mr. Jed Ray. He lives in Eugene, Oregon. He's very, very inspirational, and he definitely empowered me to be the best that I can be. Also, who's inspirational is my mother, my beautiful woman, Miss Cynthia. Also, who's inspirational is my newborn bundle of joy, Arthur Robinson III, and Miss Barbara Corcoran. She's a great leader and also a great reader. Miss Linda Watson, she's a great leader and also a great reader. And Mr. Tony Robbins is a great leader and also a great reader. And also Mr. Stephen Pierce. He's a great leader and also a great reader. And he also elaborates about his video content about mind mapping. And basically what mind mapping is whatever you read, just highlight it and memorize it on a consistent basis and let that information absorb in your brain. But you can have all the knowledge in the world, but the knowledge doesn't mean anything if you don't implement it and take action on what you learn. Remember, the only limits that we have is the limits that we place on ourselves. So never limit yourself to mediocrity and never limit yourself to insanity. And what insanity is something that you do in repetition over and over and over again, which